Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use coins on AliExpress. Okay? So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first, you need to earn coins. Coins can be earned by participating in various activities on the AliExpress platform, such as signing in daily, leaving reviews, completing tasks, and engaging with promotions. Next, check your coin balance. Log into your AliExpress account. Then, go to your account dashboard or profile section. Look for a section related to coins or my coins to view your coins balance. Okay? So once you've done that, you need to redeem coins for coupons. So once you have collected enough coins, you can redeem them for various types of coupons. These coupons can offer discounts on your purchases. Apply coupons at checkout. When you're ready to make a purchase, and add items to your cart as usual. So to do that, go to the checkout page, look for an option to apply coupons or promotional codes. Choose the coupon you want to use from your available coupons and apply it to your order. Check coupon terms. Some coupons might have specific terms and conditions, such as minimum purchase requirements or limitations on the types of item they can be used for. So make sure to read the coupon details. And lastly, proceed with payment. After applying the coupon, you should see the discount reflected in your order total. Complete the checkout process by providing your shipping and payment information. Okay? So that is how you use coins on AliExpress. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!